Hi guys, just got a package from Eleror and I am so excited to open it. Hi, welcome back to our channel. I'm P from doc.online.progress and this is a video review of the wireless earbuds T1 by Eleror. So many thanks to Eleror for sponsoring this video and for giving me the chance to test and review this very nice product. But let's take a look at the official website of the brand and find out more info about Eleror and this specific product. The brand belongs to a company based in China and you can buy their products through their website and on their global store on Amazon. Scrolling the info page for the Earbuds T1, you can find all the info related to them, and at the bottom of the page you will also find the contact details in case you have any issue. But with no further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing and finally see in real time the earbuds. So in the box you'll find the charging case. Eleror sent me this beautiful purple one, and as you can see it has a smaller and thicker structure compared to cases of other brands. It's a very interesting design and the case results small and actually portable. Also it's made of parts with glossy and matte plastic of good quality. In the box, of course, you'll find the earbuds. They have a small size, perfect even for small ears, and they have silicone ear wings to ensure they stay securely in your ears. The company kindly sent me those in purple, which by the way find them so pretty. They are waterproof, they have a compact design, and they are so lightweighted, three main characteristics which make them perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. As you can see, the earbuds sit in the case with magnets, so there is no risk to lose them. In the front of the charging case, you will see the LED indicator that will become red while charging the earbuds. At the back there is the USB-C port for the charging. In the box is included the USB cable, and the earbuds come with two extra pairs of ear tips. Also in the box you'll find the manual with all the necessary info and illustrations to help you to pair and use the earbuds. The battery life is around 32 hours, can play music for 8 hours, and the charging case holds 24 more hours of playtime. You can charge them using a normal wall plug or a power bank. I have to say that I appreciated the recycled minimalistic packaging, as also the really helpful illustrations in the manual that quickly explain all the main commands. This small in-ear invisible earphone also has a fast connection feature which only requires one pairing and can automatically recognize and connect to your device, whether it is a phone, Android or iOS, tablet or computer, letting you enjoy the experience. Let's find together how easy and quick is to connect the earbuds to an Android cell phone, to a tablet and to a MacBook Air. The secure fit of the earbuds make them perfect to use in a workout. I didn't face any problem during my treadmill workout session. On the contrary, the smart touch control was really great, as I could easily control the volume, play, pause, switch songs and answer calls without pressing any buttons. You can see that I have to only press 1 to pause or play our video on YouTube. When I press 3 times, I can adjust the volume, and when I press twice, I can watch a previous or next video. You need to follow the same easy procedure to pair the earbuds to your laptop, in my case to a MacBook Air that I use for my studies. The sound is clear while watching a lecture, and the easy touch controls work perfectly on my Mac. The earbuds are really comfortable and I can wear them for a long time without any problem. What I like even more is their natural sound isolation. Although this actual model is not active noise cancelling, however, the earbuds can block out most of the mid-frequency sounds and I can only hear few of the high-frequency sounds. At the official store there is another model with active noise reduction, of course for a higher price, in case it's something that you absolutely need. Last but not least, the Eleror wireless earbuds are a great choice for everyone, also because of their compact design and portability. The whole charging case is small enough to fit in the pocket of a jacket, in a bag, practically anywhere. To conclude, the earbuds are so small and light-weighted that you can almost forget that you have them on. They are extremely practical and useful. Also, the modern design and the touch sensing, which works perfectly, make me think that it's actually a product that everybody will love. The built-in volume control, accessible just with a triple tap, make their use so much easier, especially during a workout, as also all the other options. So, considering the affordable price, the quality of the product and the excellent perform, I will definitely say that the Eleror Earbuds T1 don't have anything to envy from similar products of more popular brands. Personally, I think you should give them a try if you're in search of a really good pair of wireless earbuds and you don't want to pay a small fortune. In the description box you will find useful links and coupons. At this point, we want to say many thanks once again to Eleror and its amazing team, especially to Ada, for making possible this review. If you like this video and you want us to do more, please give us a thumbs up, and why not, press the subscription button. Thank you for watching and your support. Until next time, bye!